The man who stopped running. Have you ever felt like you were running? Not from danger, but from yourself. Because that's exactly what Eli did. All his life, he ran. From pain, from failure, from the truth. Every time something hurt, he'd move on fast. New job, new city, new relationship. He called it starting over. But really, he was just hiding. One day, while driving toward another new beginning, his car broke down in the middle of nowhere. No phone signal, no passing cars, just silence. He got out, slammed the door, kicked the tire, and shouted, "Why me?" Then, nothing. Just the wind and the sound of his own heartbeat. And for the first time in years, Eli stopped. He sat down on the side of the road and listened, not to music, not to people, but to himself. In that stillness, old memories came rushing back. People he'd hurt, promises he'd broken, dreams he'd buried. And for the first time, he didn't run. He faced them. He whispered, "I can't change where I've been, but I can decide where I'm going." Hours later, a stranger stopped to help. But Eli didn't just fix his car that day, he fixed his direction. He went back home. He called his mother. He made things right. And most importantly, he stopped running from himself. Years later, someone asked him, "What changed your life?" He smiled and said, "The day my car broke down was the day I finally stopped running." Sometimes, life will stop you in your tracks, not to punish you, but to help you pause. Because stillness isn't failure. It is where healing begins. So ask yourself, what are you running from?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.